So I woke up at 6 a.m. really hungry, and I finally made miso soup correctly, and I'm so happy. Oh my god. I got organic white miso paste at the Ranch 99 market, which is like our local Asian market, and it was in the freezer section, so it was like a paste. Let me see if I can get it. This, chopped up a bunch of white onions, got some bone broth, and these packages of udon with the powder, and I put the powder in there, fish sauce, and soy sauce, and I'm supposed to have the miso powder, or the udon powder, but it was in this thing, so I have to get that on Amazon or somewhere where I can find it, because I couldn't find it at the Asian market, weirdly enough. I even asked people about it. And a little bit of malt vinegar, which I don't think I probably should have put in there, but definitely the fish sauce and the soy sauce, and some bone broth, chicken bone broth. You can use beef too. And oh my god, with the udon spice, it was perfect. It is like heavenly, and I chose not to put animal meat in here, but I bet it would have tasted really good with some of the pork cuttings that they use, because it kind of makes it sweet and adds some fat, but I substituted coconut oil instead, and that worked out perfectly. Oh, and you have one of the important ingredients is seaweed if you don't use meat, and like portobello mushrooms or some type of mushroom, and that kind of substitutes some of the meat flavor. So awesome. Oh, finally I did it. So proud of myself. Tastes incredible.